Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add sales tax on FreshBooks. So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, so make sure to follow all the way up until the end to learn how to add sales tax on FreshBooks. So what we're going to go do first is go onto our FreshBooks account, and then on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Invoices. Next, what we're going to do here is click on New Invoice, and then from this point, what you're going to do from here is we're going to go ahead and actually slide this over, and then scroll down to where it says add a line, and then we're going to click on our item. Now there's multiple different ways you could actually add taxes. Notice how that when you add an item or service, you can click on add taxes, and so the rate that they add here is defaulted when you actually create the item or service on QuickBooks. So I'm going to show you what that looks like in just a second. So here you can say apply taxes. And so with that, that is how you actually add taxes via inside the Invoice QuickBooks tab. But if you actually go back, if you go under and scroll down to items and services, you can actually add taxes to your items and services. So here we have, let's say, rocks. And then if we scroll down, you're going to see taxes, 8% Los Angeles. We're going to go ahead and tick this box and then click on save. Now, when someone actually adds or purchases this through one of our invoices, taxes are automatically going to be added. Now, if we go back into the invoice and then we go ahead and create a new invoice, and then from here, we're going to go ahead and re-add our rocks. And as you can see, now there's taxes being added to this invoice. So that is the best way I found as far as how to actually add taxes on FreshBooks. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.